Invisalign is the breakthrough technology that lets you have the smile you've always wanted without the hassle of braces. By using a series of clear, removable aligners, Invisalign straightens your teeth with results you'll notice sooner than you think. The course of treatment involves changing aligners approximately every 2 weeks, moving your teeth into straighter positions step by step, until you have a more beautiful smile. And unlike conventional braces, these clear aligners can be removed while you eat and brush your teeth as usual. Traditional braces generally take 18 to 24 months to complete treatment. Invisalign completes treatment in less time. An average Invisalign course of treatment takes about a year. You'll see your dentist every 6 to 8 weeks for adjustments and to check progress. At regular intervals, you receive a new set of custom-molded clear aligners to continue the straightening process. The total number of clear aligners is specific to you, determined by your doctor for your course of treatment. Clear and comfortable. Since Invisalign is practically invisible, there's no unwarranted attention to your mouth. In fact, very few people will notice at all, unless you tell them. They're comfortable to wear and remove easily when you eat, brush, and floss. You will love the results.